So what if I told you can turn any normal photo into a cinematic masterpiece in just one click? No Lightroom, no Photoshop, just using AI. Hey guys, today I talk about AIEnhancer.ai. It's basically an AI tool that can enhance your photos, edit them using prompts, and even apply cinematic effects in just a few clicks. Let's see what this tool can actually do. Simply open your desktop Chrome browser, search AIEnhancer.ai. So here you can see there are many types of AI enhancement tools, but today we are focusing on two main features, the editor and the photo effects. Now firstly open the editor page. So when you open the editor page, here you can upload your image for photo generate. And the main fact is there are 5 AI models. Let me explain you one by one. As we all know that Nano Banana. This is more like a fast and balanced model, good for basic edits and quick result. And the next model is Sidram 4. This one is more focused on creative edits like changing style or adding cinematic vibes. Then we have Sidram 4.5, a more advanced version, better quality, better details and more realistic output. We will try this once. And the next model is Flux Context Pro. This is more professional level, great for sharpness, lighting and high quality edits. And the last one is Quant Image Plus. This is more experimental, good for unique and AI style transformation. So basically you can choose the model based on your editing style, speed, creativity or quality. Now let's try something like cinematic lighting in heavy rain condition with neon light reflection. Now simply upload your image. So I choose this photo and also choose the AI model Sidram 4.5 for realistic result. Then simply paste the prompt. What do you want? So this is my own generated prompt, and then scroll down and here you can see the aspect ratio option. So I choose 1:1 for this photo. Then click on generate button. Let's see what's happened. Okay guys, this is actually impressive. You can see the lighting is completely changed. As I mentioned in prompt, cinematic lighting condition with neon light reflection. So as you can see, our lights is reflects on our hair and it's look more realistic. And also skin tools looks better like a professional photo now. So this is really shocked me guys. The result is really awesome. Now let's move to the second features, which is photo effects. There are two ways to open the photo effects page. One is here and the other one is scroll down and you see the same photo effect option. And here you can see the all style different type photo effects, hairstyle, style, studio, photography. So you firstly try the hairstyle effects. Let's see how it's work. So simply I tap this effects, then automatically change the AI model according your photo effect. It's mean this is one click to generate it. Simply upload your photo and that's it. Automatically choose the AI model, prompt, also the aspect ratio. Simply click on generate option. Simply click on generate it. So as you can see guys, the result is awesome. You can use this photo in your any professional project or upload on social media platforms. Now let's another photo effects. So as you can see, there are also style, studio, photography, beauty and outfit. Now we tried the most popular effect, which is studio. So simply I choose this photo effect, then upload again a boy photo and just one click hit the generate button. So as you can see guys, within 1 second your photo is converted into a studio. Look at the background and the photo quality also. So I really impressive with this photo. Actually the studio section photo effects are really awesome. That's why we try one more. Now in this case I choose this There photo effect. Simply click on that and I generate with this same photo. Then again hit the generate button. The result is really awesome. Just look at the hair. The prompt had mentioned messy hair and also the generated photo with same to same messy hair with this There text. So you also this photo use in your DP or portfolio etc. Now let's try this another photo effects. So in this case I choose the photography section and I choose this photo effect. And again I hit the generate button with the same photo. I have no what to say. Just look at the colors. So simply click here to download your all photos. So lastly we try another photo effect, which is outfit. In this case I choose this girl photo effect. So simply I upload another girl photo. Then again I hit the generate button. So as you can see how the natural look is. So the bokeh effect is really awesome and the photo sharpen is top notch. So overall the photo effects option is really time saving. And also this AI tool have many other features like remover, one click to remove background, to remove watermark, and also have a enhance option. Here you enhance your photos. So overall edit features is powerful if you like control and prompts, and photo effects is perfect for quick cinematic result. It's not replacing Photoshop, but for fast content creation it's really useful. Now lastly talk about this AIEnhancer monthly and yearly plans. So as you can see guys, this is pocket friendly. Only $29 per month you get 2000 credit. It's mean here you generate lot of photos. And if I choose the yearly plans, here you can see $264. If you want to try it, link is in the description, and let me know should I test more AI tools like this. Subscribe for more editing content.